Nirjahra Bali.
That's right, look at that. We've just come in. Phil's getting a welcome. There's the lobby. Put our stuff on the buggy. That's it. Car over here. And this beautiful fountain entrance here. And Daddy's gonna get a wet towel.
And there goes our stuff.
Yeah. It's gonna make its way to our room soon. Yeah.
Silakan untuk request-nya.
Terima kasih. You can buy your products there, and then here you can do your work in the library. But Preston, we're here for this, aren't we? Turn around. What's all this? Show me this, bud.
This is the best spot of all time.
Yes. Okay. Come walk with me here.
This is the giant
Look at this.
waterfall. And there's another waterfall right there.
There's a natural waterfall over there. There's breakfast. Apparently the cinema, the private cinema is below there. And even this pool, our own pool here is a waterfall here.
Right there.
Okay.
The retreat spot. We got a waterfall right there.
So yeah, super tranquil here. Super calm. Let's
Put.
There's a spa and a sauna on the other side. Treatment room. Yeah, okay. So I think they're closed for the moment. We won't go in there just yet.
Okay.
And here's the gym over here. Yeah, oh, there's your change rooms. I think there's a sauna and stuff in here, the man said. And here's the gym. Okay, I don't have the key just yet, so we'll just take a sticky big here through the door. Oh, someone's using the gym. Oh, perfect little lawn. You've got your water.
Giant waterfall.
Right on the property of the hotel. And you can see some villas overlooking the infinity pool. Absolutely gorgeous.
Take a look in villa number 6.
That's right, villa number 6. This is the river. I think it's like the river view.
Okay, and it's got umbrellas here.
That's right, umbrellas there. Let me just check ourselves in.
Sneak peek.
And here we are.
Hello, room.
Hi room. Look at that tea, coffee, all our amenities over here as usual.
Fridge right here.
Try to show the people the fancy tea. We've got nice tea here. Look at this.
They're in a box.
I know.
And what?
That's right, nice little welcome fruit plate.
And
this is the room.
the most popular.
Look at that.
This is the most popular thing.
Check me out.
This outdoor thing.
Yeah, hang on. Let me unlock it for you.
Outdoor balcony.
Excuse me.
This.
We'll go straight out here because I know that's what you're looking at. Check this out. You got your little setup here, and they even have the bath set up for us here.
With flowers
And look at this. We've got our own view of the river valley. There's a small stream down the bottom there. I don't know if you can see that. And it's so nice and private. Can't see into the room. Yes, that's right. Comfy seat to relax. Preston, there's a door there that leads to the bathroom. We'll see that later, but let's go have a look at the bathroom right now. Here's that room. That's right. Let's go this way first, Press. Go to the right.
Okay.
Yes, just close that for me. Okay. Dual vanity. You got your shower. Massive rainwater shower head as usual. This is that door that leads outside. Okay.
Goes out here.
That's right. Right out in nature.
And we got the working.
The inside bathtub too, not just the outside bathtub. And then
that's bath salts.
there's bath salts there, yes. Press, can you? This is the toilet. We don't need to see there, but open this door for me. Open this door.
I don't know.
Yep, click it. And look at this. It takes you out to
shower.
our outdoor shower.
I'm gonna turn this thing on. I'm gonna
Beautiful, right? Don't turn that on. Don't turn that on. Get me wet. No. Okay, and that's the room here at the Nirjahra, that's
But
right.
stay tuned for the treehouse room.
So we're going to see some more rooms as well, so stay tuned, yeah? We're going to see the one too.
This is the other room. The best room of the hotel.
Yeah, the best room in the whole hotel. Okay, so let's hop in. Thank you.
Silakan buka.
Here's the bed here.
Okay, beautiful. Show me why this is the best room here, buddy.
This is the best room because it's a lot bigger than the other.
Uh-huh.
And
then?
also, we have this. We have a jacuzzi out there.
Wait a sec, let me open this up for you. Aha, look at this. Little plunge pool. Here.
Oh, but here's
Here.
the stream.
This is the stream, but what else can we hear, Preston?
Water fountain.
Not the water fountain, but the waterfall right there. We got a view of the waterfall here. So this is the closest room to the waterfall. Super private. As you can see, there are other rooms as well, but their view doesn't get this waterfall. And we get the rice paddies and the sunset as well. Okay. There's a door too. Where? The bathroom. I think it's locked, but let's come in from this way. Yeah.
And guys,
Yes.
when you walk in, here, there's these night lights that turn on automatically when you walk into the bathroom.
Yes, that's right. Okay. And this is that door.
Here we got the
Nirjahra robe. And the toiletries, Mummy and Daddy have to pick which ones we wanted, and then they'll refill them. They get us to choose which scent and stuff that we like, and then they can put that in for us, Press. And of course here, yeah, toilet cubicle, and then Preston, can you open that door for me? What's that?
I guess
This
that's
was the
shower.
pool, the bathtub again, and then
Here is the shower, like in the other room.
perfect, the outdoor shower here.
It's on.
Super roomy. Oh, I don't know how quick it's going to go on. I think you're going to get wet if you turn it on from there, mate. Okay, but hang on. Move aside, move aside. Let me try for the people.
Why the hot one? Move back.
Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's just starting. I'm going to move backward. There you go. There's our working shower. Oh, and the nice thing is, look, little details like this. You got a couple of towel hooks there on the outside. And go on, open that door.
This is the
There you go. Take me through again. All right. Enjoy it. Nice. If you want to see more cool places like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know we're in the pool. Okay, having fun?
Yes.
Excellent. All right. And here we go. Look at that, we've got a beautiful sunset coming up. And there's the waterfall. Two happy kids. Mummy's chilling out in there. Nighttime here at the resort. And if you're wondering what to do at night, after you've had dinner, you can walk in here. Check out where Preston is. Knock knock. Hey buddy, what's this?
Theater.
The theater? Wow, look at this.
Spa.
No joke, huh? This is a theater. We got.
Is that the spa?
This is the theater. 8 very plush seats. And then, can anyone else come and watch with us, Press, or not? No, this is totally private, right? We booked it for ourselves. Okay, so you can book here. And you got awesome projector. Like, choice of movies here. You can just scroll through. Okay. Watch all the stuff that you want here. And we're gonna enjoy. You ready for movie night, Press?
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Movie night begins. Hit the lights.
Light determination.
That's it. Oh, That wasn't the lights. And there we go.
Here is the Despicable Me in the cinema.
And we're gonna enjoy this, okay? And I've got my minion here at the front.
We changed this to Harry Potter.
That's right, we're watching Harry Potter here in the cinema. And this is so cool. Check it out. Nice big sound system there, screen, the projector. And we're going to continue watching our movie.
The restaurant.
We're going to have our breakfast here, okay?
Theater's over there.
The theater is over there. Well, here's the pool. The theater's just behind that wall. There's the waterfall. And there's a little yoga nest down the bottom. And you can see some of the little treehouse rooms there as well. Okay. We'll check those out later as well.
Here.
Breakfast here. Preston even brings his own seaweed there. Have his little seaweed sushi rice snack. There's the fried rice. Here's the chicken porridge there. Some Japanese pancakes, bread basket, mango smoothie bowl, fruit plate. And I do love how they garnish the flowers. There's some noodles there. And we get to look at this for breakfast. Okay, while sitting under the shade of these beautiful flowers.
Number
24 is the two-bedroom villa. Check it out. Look at that. Yeah, you got a decent sized pool. Here's living room. Got your dining table. You got your living set up there. Sorry, you just take a quick peek in here. Coffee machine, telly, living room, and all that cool stuff. Turn all these on. There you go. Nice, right? Exactly. And I think if you find in, what is it? Oh, here we go. Check it out.
Nirjahra book. This is the Nirjahra page.
This is the only hotel in Indo to feature in this entire book. Yeah, right here.
Okay, and this is the bedroom is down the top. Let's go check that
Well,
out.
there's two rooms. Wait, firstly there's a room over here. Let's check out this one first. Careful, yeah, Phil.
There's a room over
Okay.
there.
Here's the first bedroom. Here. Telly. Some lights. That's it. The wardrobe. Good day. Hello. Okay.
Outdoor rock top.
Oh, look at that stone bathtub outside.
Stone top.
Beautiful. And then dual vanities, shower cubicle, all that as usual. Okay, let's keep on looking. You okay, buddy? Careful, careful. All right, here we go. Down the steps, you get to the second bedroom. This is like the kids' room here. As you can see, you got the twin beds. Press, can you hit some lights for me, please? Yeah, turn on some lights for me. Any switch you can find is great. Oh, lovely. There we go. Got the nice telly. Good, the floating telly there, the nice bay window seat. Oh, you go through that way, I'll go through this way. Let's see if we can meet. Hey, my guy. Oh, I like this sink, huh? This is nice.
And apparently, in the other rooms there are night lights that just turn on automatically.
Maybe there is here and we just haven't found it yet. Okay. Look at this. Oh, always beautifully appointed fresh flowers. Okay, and then their signature. What about different types? This is the antique version. Yep, that's the toilet there. And you got the shower. So this room, just because it's the kids' room doesn't mean it's any less nice. Yeah, I like that, huh? Cool, huh?
Okay, let's go see the treehouse.
Alright, let's go see another room type here.
Treehouse, guys.
Okay, so we've just seen the two-bed villa here. Okay, and here in the middle of the yard, look at these beautiful treehouse buildings. So let's find out what they look like on the inside. Lead the way, Press.
Treehouse, careful. not just here.
That's right, the bed. This is lovely. Look at the ceiling as well. Very cool. Okay. And we'll see where those stairs go in a second, but I just want to show everybody the view first. Of course, you have your telly and your minibar. And look at that, you look out over the complex. There are some other villas.
Guys, look at the bathroom.
Okay, and let's jump into the bath here.
Here is the bathroom. Sink, toilet right here.
Pedestal
Here's the
sink.
shower, pool.
Okay. Very nice.
Guys, I don't know where. Yes.
Okay. Well, we've got to find him, don't we? Let's go up these stairs and find him. And look what we found up here. A huge outdoor tub, which is nice and covered here. You've got a wonderful little sitting area here.
It looks out onto the water, Daddy.
That's right. Wow, look at that view. Gorgeous. You get the sunset here. And see the other ones as well, the other tree houses. All the same. And here you get your nice big chair. And here you can actually, from here you can see the corner of the waterfall there, through the trees and the restaurant. And the rice paddies. The other river.
Yoga nesting.
We're in the yoga nest here. Beautiful.
Directly on the bottom of the...
It's directly where? Oh yeah, that's it, there's your view. Awesome, right? You can see the waterfall swimming into the stream. And Preston, there's even another waterfall, a little mini waterfall over there. On that side too, which you haven't seen.
And there's another waterfall right here.
That's right.
Subscribe.